lasting peace here we ugagbawa.
Brother Nana ma eme we dia we no ma we ma ho deri oge. Abi pata biziga na do mu wedo ni we odomu omuna keke ni ra iya na do phone mu ana trust phone ana we nene phone memu ya we iya na follow up na ya miege ma no rugwe ga wori even irugwe ga na sentence to life imprisonment ake hu na no do arabe do gba ma mi abi kwa ma ya
okay ugbelagi mie ya ugbelagi mie na ya
Abin watalolo ya fefe la lo erevo o si na ya fefe de lo na ro
ne lo na revo ni ono se nuna miegwe zini ko ifu wa ni obo.
It is the right of the government in make a law. Oh, why okay? That means
the government no more you na. E ask my pass, ask of pass my pass here.
Oh, why? That means you don't want the criminal to go every bono. Onaga want the criminal.
Why criminal wa kamia when you ask you but when you criminal.
Simple. When you get the way.
Wa ma we man wa we mu wa no.
Wa to ba ye ti ni wa get the way na ko ye ro wa na.
O ma make sense.
Wa get the way wa la go. Ọmọ mo su se po wa
wa do boy mu ya ya agwa lo de ko de ni ari omi ya do wo chi mi ya la de be kan. My brother to ba re ga to le wa ro ga criminal ya wa mu wa ni agwa my brother. Ya wa go
Keep on doing it.
Ya be mo ti be wa na ro me we ni agwa go.
The only thing of him we okay, now you so agwa we kera ade ni ado o ye je
Nana ata lo se la we sto bowo. No wa na ata lo na we se bowo. Be we agwa go. O be o se agwa le na mate lesi.
Yeah,
ebe so ro ro bo no sponsor mi down so we Nigeria wo do.
Also na me na we bo support yan.
Oh, ya rent for me. At the end of the day we go innocent houses here.
Omo no you go wa ma izi na bo. Eternity na re yo wa eternity be bo.
Ọmọ ke mo wa ni o ke mo e.
Ọmọ ma izi na bi e. Ọmọ ma izi
wa kota ebi ni mi a no
agbedo ija na no ma ebe kwasi wala o na kina e ma na ki sister F kun agbo ibe so pe na e ma re ma no ma e kwasi
Iviedo wa kojo o wa kojo Iviedo bueno iwe oge mode okpevo na ga ataba but Iviedo wa forget iwe emi ni vigbo uwe do e aye oye ti ma ni Iviedo egbe evu anyu special omo epishe
mama oge ni Peter Obinu
o pa ide ni ide
e
brother na my talk for brother 9077
Okay, brother, go. Efe mutia get time, brother. Taza Ibokuma.
Okay, Peter Obinu Wataban. Last time I checked, a constitution says where any Nigeria has a right to go to any space, not really like if in Nigeria or until relocate to Arriva, either for visit or stay. That is Nigeria constitution, right?
Okay.
My last time I checked, Peter Obi is not a president, neither is a governor, neither is a senator or anything. As a president now, Peter Obi is just a common person like me and you. Despite what we politics, a common person because how many office not hold as at now.
Yes.
So there is a difference.
Common person,
big woman, I urge you to learn, and I urge you to do anyhow.
Oh, well, I might be time to conclude here. When I give you for the
man, 007, where Tim be attacking
there are two kinds of visits. Either I'm coming to your city for a courtesy visit, or I'm coming for your to your country or state for maybe my business or even anything important in the hand.
The governor, before you enter my state, let me know.
In my state without my notice, that's understandable. this one is coming for business.
Bros, we're modern of landing. We don't landing.
No, it's the worry no.
But a man we here do at all the campaign, at all anything, although I not concerning politics or whatever. I see no reason. And then Nakana, Peter Obi or coming with most of them to people name. This is why when on your see politicians, as far as I'm concerned, they are all criminals. Both the Peter Obi or say not supported because we now watch here now the moment we supported the useless things in here, who will be at the receiving end? Manane a normal citizen now. My receiver, that's why I don't support any nonsense. While checking up level Unania, or pass a king I will show you. No problem in Ayoto because we do Akawa why they block in any man one day again. Or when if you block it, I will turn it. On a may block you, they usually again Uwadika Wabo.
Brother, government in a page of when you go pay, tap your
Oh boy, God, one of me will be man. They want to make it. Yeah, I got you wet there. I got you walk back there.
Someone let me go over Camine on a Vavela.
Someone let go ahead and pay your near. I am a pay there. What time was I saying? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, no, someone let go ahead. Oh, Pana, family, no, the Guluk Bay. Oh, Guluk Bay, no matter my Gogo Wabele. Oh, Guluk Bay, express the equality of the Gogo.
Fine and good, but Ogowa be
why don't let it desha? Okay, mommy, I mean, strategy. Okay, can you my back back? No, you're or what you coming? Also, another Coco Quanicaro. Or what you coming?
My brother, where we cut down,
don't just say he was governor, don't use that word. You may not like him. It does not mean that he's the worst governor in Edo State.
Let your matter for 8 years.
Nigeria, Edo State one.
At least on Matt Obaseki.
Really?
Yes, on Matt Obaseki.
Why am I saying no Matt Obaseki, brother? We cannot Master God. We know what I say. You only ask when
you're Matt Obaseki.
Damn, I cannot Master.
Ọmọ mi bẹ dọ̀tọ̀ bọ̀tọ̀ yìí wúwo yà dọ̀ kéde gbẹ̀ yìí. Ọmọ mi bẹ dọ̀tọ̀ wò ká ẹ̀fọ́ ma kẹ́ ẹ̀fọ́ àti ọwà. Ọmọ ẹ̀lú wa kí ẹ̀ka ẹ̀sẹ̀ lu wa bẹ̀ wò ni.
Láti ló ṣàwọ̀ igó ní abẹ́ lọ́kì gbìnẹ́ tí ọbẹ̀ gbìnẹ́. Ẹ̀ka ẹ̀sẹ̀ lu wa bẹ̀ wò ni. Ètò yẹ́rì ní ọmọ yẹ́rì
ọba sẹ́kì ìwọ náà fún abẹ tó wọ ọyẹ́ ìwé.
Èmi máa dà sáà di wọ́n náà. Lélẹ̀ lọ́kì wà kánà. Obi ẹ̀dọ̀ mẹ́rọ̀ nà support ẹ̀kọ́ wé mi sí.
Ẹ̀rí ọ̀nà.
Obi eto pero all over can be do like the one we see but talk about Baseki is wrong any me do be ano even no do is wrong
and they don't set him because in at the end of the day, family and not concerning
because mama mi anu ogba no e power wo no have your post o ma yo pam so egbe ni drug people be
anybody why
the family you na tana family no was
my brother
what I say wa we family wa dey for ma bai
no be jo okun na because every mom ma bia ma wo
my brother Gefe Mada Feguani Aguansenia
sister Feguan come
no wa wesio mani viedo mewa rijegbe ya compare lo no rewebu aya ko we ya go we commune ogwa ni avie mai aveboe ivie wi ya evione government ya isize odo hie oge commune evie vojo but we jere we oge Nigeria or they different maybe now although here do one ne man now just me wa support yo o ma no e wo otinye emi ma bon ma we wa ma trust e why la why she no bo why she no we why buku ya kon
omororo me kwasi me na say na mu yiye ke na sister
mudia na emeta na mudia na sister so enimiat me wa support ma a governor himana me wa support no na wa me emine ma keke bo ma o ori o te no o me right no ya gwogeru do mana gwoge ba o mana gwoge ba e party no ve win iya ni iye be yari oboji ye kini ya me ke na claim mo win ya weregbe
yes
iya release o wa ni ya we na egi ya release ona be out me ona we ni dan emi no ma keke ana mio o honi ya be go we ra na da me bu de ni jo boy si no we ni tana so keke ni ma mi no fofua ni ma ga tagwe o jelo ni ma ta wolf ogele fofua mi no jelo na gele tagwe mi na ogele jelo ni ma ga gwe ne emi ne ma David ne do aya meet up here. We ma bege mi no sunu we Ghana. Ghana ovi gbogbo aya mu control of it bobe e bo no manya. But if you support mani. Wana mi bo mi we mani vie.
No kadere ade matama no jo.
We Oviedo, Oviedo, Abiewele, Tedoni, Uwonuri ever your babo. Ahiajo weri laweti.
Say.
No ayajowa.
Say.
Enya lawe bebe no azigo say oh ye mi ohun mi we gbe ya.
Say.
Iya we ita ya epewe otuni go badole doji. O agwalo. Na agua lovevo nego yare mani vieto na okiro ne viego mani vieto na okiro ne viego won ba ti iviedo magbe iviedo ma ya mu wa save
ya mu Maria
deti mo a governor of Edoni when ni mi ati wa wu ya wa kokuwa iwa kokuwa je emina ge kotena iwa kokuwa ye kotena resi ekena na nozigwe nyanse ti ahewa ye ba eri ate wuwae ave mi kho ni muje dogboto
iya ma oji no rin agbe
egon ugwa mana ra ugwa mana pegbe rove egon ugwa egon saloba nesunu regima eve sunu regima eve sunu emona ye bie no ve dove biomo no de eve sunu regia uda sirava babe aya bioba gay emi no ekun awuwa ne madan ekhase na tosi
emekho no madado
ekho biebi ego iye va egboloko ni agbegbe kere iye wo agege egbe ne na be e British ya we emane ni yaga ilo eriya
ya ya betray that don England also aloyan
ugwa mana pagbe love nugwa gbina we agwa ori ove ti mi ma kegbe
riate ya tage ne
ba mi go ewe bonu gweje na we ma ni gbina jo okedo de iya kedo mi adogba
okay ya ija ni je siki ogbina jo
Ewibona eriri ya atemi ni ya mie ome video pa niga ge ovie Nigeria na we bege France Nigeria te masse France we are mie ekeni ya ga awie bege ni egenede ekena na koke esi many people na avieva wona ukpoma gba yakun ni ama mo pa wona ni akedo pa gbe akedo deji ya na ra o mi mane black ya bi arieva e toti ma mati ya do re wa mane black mama fie o wona
mama fie o corruption. We are corrupt.
You got a corruption. You got only any corrupt me.
Some of them, we are not stupid, but it's corruption.
Sister, mommy. I don't paro to kuno my gwa bros abi sister no gwa ma gwa ko.
Meno.
Domo sa.
Ko mama wa ya wa gbo wi o.
Domo.
Idame o abi rubbish ni ma so we social media. Na ni rubi governor Rima. Yes. On the Tomondo Bebolo. Where Ruda Otamo be all like to not time here because Obioma Kere Wala do reckon time no nyawa because for now Senator Mondo Bebolo you are the number one man of Edo State. So I like it in Lawai Utama everywhere. Or making that keep security here. A man in me done. Even not by a power, ex-governor Igboseki. Okay, but the power of Oshomole no we do. Or time Oshomole when they be like do. We are doing your arrest day. If you don't go away, na ma fi see so. Ya got Bobone. One or am I where Obi going or like do any a governor time away. Who can label me? Atamame. In case of Europe, when I do, I see where or Basset. Modo Bebolo. If you were so passive everywhere, Ubiagaji, who Atamame, remind him I agree banner, or same Zegeta. Ruby, Ugia, governor in my Ruby. And if you do, if we were moving Nipuo, here Obi, don't be a president. Why can manipulate the world? If we go 5 states, when we are campaign with state, okay? When I said, do I, inu mahi we do, mahema we president in it. No, in fact, when you are so campaign with 5 states, okay? Or do I donate to go do? A problem in every year, no, I donate to go do. You will not donate every year. They sit at home every year. You donate to go every year. The problem in every year. Ronaldo donate go be imata ma ego make bima igo be my igualo owa ekwe wa mu because of Peter Obi imene Peter Obi dey ni ai Peter Obi ni akana e to mo di president e be so go me no dey do bai e do ya u ina na support ana me we na my minister be a presidency be Toure Tinubu na because of him support Peter Obi. Election veteran ni do Maya support man ni win ni re power ne Maya support man no matter the power ma wish go win win no re power or re power ni ma make na me minister
4+4 wa gba Tinubu wa
do ya support man no ma Ariana ba dey ave ya me president Angwa ebi de so angwi go. Amwen lojo wa degbe we so son TV na. Kimi no sunu. Apa se ne be ask for assembly. Wa degbe continue emi ni. Wa pe no oge. E wa to atare. Abe mana igbele. E bi o mani hian. E wa na gbon biele ni a. Okay, wa pe no gune. E bi o mani e wa ni na iga ibi ma. O na ebi 18 ma. Ma wa se obobilio.
Wa mani romo ma eton be no ti me ne na.
Egbe be de ma. Ogberi me ebi ro ba ina we bi na. Ogwi mese be ga we na. Ebi no ma ona take it. No dey governor go wa we no go. Because amajo imi mo bi roma. Obi jo e mo ma because a governor na kesu e bo ye o ja sun ma wa sun e betu. O ka sun e bo ka fu anko wa ne boy. Nana miegwe ibieto yin agwa mo mi yen oni gwa ate pe robi governor wa e governor ki mara fe ma fe
baba is on the ti ajo no ogi bigbo iyan agwo eju to dey back committee go ba bere eju to afela ti eni o ka wa fela dey committee ke do
go na support e ma robi governor wa ibieto bi ate pe ya robi governor wa e governor wa no ogi manon. There's nothing anybody can change. Forever, anybody can support say any madole do you any maro you any matter anything negative in there. For my work,
advice in Maria ne ba my brother. He went no see I not really call you do go wa mutetaba. Thank God the video na run any agboya be save me. No,
the governor like power.
For me, I mean asunu Oka sunu dere onye gwa wa ya te mini e. So when you say na makanye, nye mega do yare.
Ava so e na bo power. Wo sa ba we emi no bu di ma we mi no bu or we reform no bu. Even e dollar we na never do.
Oh we na just.
Oh we na never do. Erosion fun eya. 8 months agwa ya go egbi. Nye no kwa like power. What about the governor no revolution? 8 years. Oja wedo. Wa mi onita. Wa aja go. On one of power for 8 months. They and we release
over bridge no ube na kero ike no fo.
They do wa gimabe abege bi ni ma ate mata.
E wa ate no manoro.
8 months o e yare power na. On one of go for 8 months. On your go ya go.
Yes we gbo we
Eto wala wa ma le nwa. Wa ma na ne government ma.
Atiku wa wete asun ni obe betray doti me.
Kakabona.
When the man is he for betrayed my brother 2 forces.
Ebo ne ma se ebo ma minute ebo intelligence. O ma se bo te bo ya intelligence. Edo akye webu. Oba se kiru ledo for gwa se bo kakabo. Edo akye webu. Wo ubedo. Edo gwa gebo. No be by speaking ebo as ebo. Only mami over day or any no uwe but I'm a president, I'm a governor ne. Ma testo wa no kwa zebo no ma beg ma give no eti u ne o man ma beg o ma eti zebo na we no me wo
yes
so no why got o ma buy robi governor man because o ma no robi governor man e go
ro ma re no nya gbo ya wa fela
o ma no robi governor man e go ro ye
o no in adia as leader must to me ebo una de my weje
wa criticize him no wa criticize him oma
oyo na lecturer at school a lecturer at when ya o wa be me ebo wa we see ya wa
every normal way
no o ba na rubia platform na why ga mo be platform o ya ta the platform
na imi di video ti ya rubia iba wa
ya vie ina na ga la jange school the primary school result oge no pe mo ja ro le do you school
ni ya vie la jange we ba
mo ja ro le do you school ave ma ni
ni win na be do ni iya ma je school
ave ni je school ni ro gbogbo yan se le bi o ye ma mama mi pa ni
awo ja gbe mu ja jo ya to le do yi
eto ojo school ojo
bi so
why wa be bi e wo do why e wo ko imana me mami o pa do e rubia se da do get no wo ma wo se And then as a Nigerian citizen, as a those state indigenous rights to go lead that area, where to stop on it.
Well, leader, where make no mabe. If we get better. No way.
So it's normal. We will tag Moya Fefeno. Don't back okay, don't believe on yourself. Unimana to make a yak with man. Anything I ever get about anything. Why we do it? Why I'm going to do?
My brother, may understand it goes Pataza with him. May understand may he goes Pataza with him. My brother, you get all these things with what I may understand everything with us. Igbo sympathizer, that is all the fact. Igbo sympathizer, do a vote, you vote, you vote everywhere.
Okay. Honestly, my brother. Okay. You understand?
Why Igbo sympathizer,
Igbo sympathizer. Who the Ebola then moi bene oki me Igbo sympathizer o weki en moi bene who ga woman
the politics is a game. Lose or you gain. Politics. When I like a PDP, you stay with your PDP. When I like a PC, stay with your PC.
Any party. Any support. Anybody may support.
And I insult a governor where a governor. Everyone is receiving salt as a leader. What
a governor do. Imagine when you insult a governor. Why you got the bad here? You insult a governor. Why you insult a governor? The bad insult a governor.
Support. Don't support anybody.
My brother, we don't support anybody.
Peter Obi support.
When you know don't support anybody.
Peter Obi support. Yeah.
My brother, when Mudiani go for now.
Support anything.
Uji carry on.
Why are discouraging you do? No, like with politics. Well, everybody have to support politics. To support politics or PDP, it determines your spirit. In my case, we set it for up, we set it the platform we need. It's a young winner here with me. A PDP is just a name. It's the people that carry the banner. Yes. Everybody have different spirits. That is just the truth. And the miniata wagia protected women no matter situation. And we boni imagine even ya day wama bege the system or changing there. Then ya go we black here. Even ya no de gbe de na ya fin one. When they enter no day, no do like president or like prime minister where. Or say tita where ya withdraw a 10 million immigrant paper or passport to America. Or where we book the can on ya we are withdraw it. They can start that race tomorrow. We don't know. Ma whatever one mama, here said this one agitative where a win a book be working on a being a withdraw ya with a be ya withdraw 10 million migrant can on a beke ya. Who be ya was said before the office we renew. Yeah, you understand? They are rising up. We are many when they getting up of Africa. Even your rare egiro, why be a bad hospital where it's hospital when you pay okay beer. All these things egiro. Let us be careful. Wagadolo waji, I just say Embrace your brother. Otwena awe mi se ti ayu pegbe but obi e wo be na ya wa we ma kan we yo. You understand because my mama be okpa ma yahin. Ebi ni awi ma e bugbe. E ladima enya ya vio e be na. Ya ge ko be na everywhere. If you ba vio big bo vio e. Iya ya vio le no. Today my president my revi rokpa. Even the artifact ni a le vio de derio. Ge ni ate ya artifact. Akpete mo no buy a repositioning. Onwa agi ma ya gbi na ya artifact. Akpete ma kick against the royal. We have a area Buja ya gbi na ye artifact. If you outside if you buy Vionia. Na esi ma bo. Even the governor.
Ati me mate when I Abuja. Ati me Abuja yete when I kaya beke na avio ejise 14.
Yes na. Look at the museum of Bovaninia. A mama know where Anya museum ni. How can you be building museum when I don't fear me you way?
Emogwa. What is the meaning of Emogwa?
Huh?
What is the meaning of Emogwa?
Undagu wazedo wajedo ya ria wajedo ya itie bone ema ogun ya gbuwa won ba ya no redo ni no redo ni o ki an to gbuwa warie ba edone warie eyin no ro ni warie ebi no ru redo ni edoni mawa ekon efu wagbe wawenu waje sisu wazedo wawenu wajedo yaria rundagu wazedo waria gbaria be wahi omo uke walare waria lonu waveje na uwa hian diowa uwa hian ebe uwa hian akomiti era ya no sika promise era pa mi pe wa ara kin
because inyana la poni oge ku yan pa kaka yan bo ba se kila o be ni abati na agoni le yan e de na pe wo lo ro I give a benefit yen go yan no wa be support o pe wo lo
na da pe wo mai we bi ro pa let my patient
ka down your phone the makama e go
it's even too early ni bigbo wa no ba yam ne baba na ani special oyero viera
kana ma egbera we oge e
supporting down wa
mindful of what you support because akwenari na wadi gole le ba say I pray
blame my brother you know when you are the supporting person omani na get wrong who withdraw a support you when who withdraw a support you where gbera track ba a dey see aye it's not a fault everybody go out and well let me seek your body
malaga o le do ma no malaga o le do ma ine ma wa mi point e la dia whether you support this one or you support that one una mi ine ma uta wa mi no ma wa we tag no ma na we mi si e do una mi ine ma wa we tag ogo pe wo lo wa ga e ri ege de ma ye bere ma na oga yin se oru poki ma o ma na
ya ti no papa
ona me expect you better
ya ti no papa o
ata wo
ya imate mi awe ona me expect better enu ate no agwani up for ona me expect
yeah mama princess wa honestly wakada ya wa hiwala
no
My brother, one more year walk, one more year on Aquawe.
Ni sẹ́ni wá gé wá ní sẹ́ni ọkọ̀ ama princess wẹ̀ nọ̀tánà.
Wọ́n problem.
Ẹni mẹ̀hìn àtàwẹ̀ mani biedo no support Origbo ika mu wa na support Origbo na la o wa ri oja gbe who that
what are you saying?
O ma wa wa bi otigbo wa wi tu wa bi otigbo ye ka ju wa zesele ye wa ka ju wa zesele onye wa e something
Ojo abi.
Èmi ma ebere na ebere akale so ore baseki togba na so wa re vote no baseki èmi no die do wa hia o I boss me na vun e ma na garo bi omi ame be na riwo togba so na na wo mission ni ana me ya ge Nigeria omi edo wa le ni ye ife ja
Iya kaka mu gba ga dogo tekpo no ni. Iya mata mu gba ku yan yan gbo edo a. Iya wo to gi yan no ni.
Na.
Power tap my people power tap they don't dey flag and beg. One power tap. If you mute, then you mute, one power tap. Then one person dey talk.
Ni apia bedo.
Mute and power tap. I won't buy igun wa la wo. My be ka be na.
Mama Mudiane, any other okay, Manibiedo, it's time for us to that is the Madai president in Nigeria. Okay, the Maya Sumo Bawe, okay, Mana we saw a great Madai president in Nigeria. Edo I the president, okay, Umami Mania Bio Wazobia, Edo where. Marketing ni makina when they do take no way.
A lot don't wear any attack in Mac one. Here, second, imagine I can run it in my day. Near Matokumako, if it go to Kumako. If I don't Kumako, video about Kumako, I mean, Mamma Matopi, my
vice presidency, no. President over no.
You do my Gualonia to Puerto Rico.
What's supposed Origbo no fi pe
yeah mani doni
Origbo no fi pe wa na ku ba support yan ni ade wa manu wa mare ma ifi boya o
no we support Peter Obi o ma mi no o dewo Peter Obi ka PDP ma ke PDP gba na jump la Labour okay Labour ala ke Labour ala jump la ADC no dollar ke le ama jump ni
APC o big ije
ATC origin you really Labour
ATC
ADC was APC
okay ni àwọn ya that create now
coalition of other criminals that FFF yana do create up so die na gele àwọn all say me like Esowore na wa gele no we dey buy our coalition because ojoji ya FFF him so when we maybe where area on a mass the politics no we ba go mass the no go she be wa awe wa me gba no ya FFF Nigeria politicians are concerned oji yarin and we should always learn how to tell them stop also le we put machine na Macedonia all our settled citizens here is to tell these politicians stop why that fullekuwa or send and warrior working man why working kuwa pa because man wa we na dey also be that way dey banner they don't make good for us we here royal dey no be sikeyan say we can be working here we here o ma kan ma you cannot give us good road, you cannot give us good hospital, then who are you? No good education, nothing. You may say the way December on the Roba Sakina rule for 8 years. Okay. At least I'm not even good for something a year more. Now, ya be when I am to you was they were the do. You was it. At what I am Mubana. Again, you not get away now. Okay, I mean, the car and the FFF, where the politician, my way, and I probe, and I swear, or not, ana sentence we mi history of Edo or history of Nigeria error here ya fe pa lo wa gbagban kekan wo de bana no pa wa mejo no go fure ge o shina no ra ile Kogi e de na ya president consulted by APC no o be ki
APC, your sin is forgiven.
E no pasa ki wa we na akwo wa go go la dan po we awa ko bole le ami mi no pa ni Nigeria marere ni
ami se ki wa be ati APC ba e wa go le pe ni
yes and mani mi Nigeria ma be mi ko marere mi ami no wa gbera awa mi na ba so apo bole le la se ti e nene e Peter Obi or whatever or my boy Anambra mama said do the Nigeria have wala o we are Lagos e bega go no be po kan ifo e ya we asu le na wa ba Nigeria egwede we boni we ka wa mi say the environment the oro bare dey no pa usi no pa as far as
my brother
all the politicians are criminals.
No, even politics here, they already created every avenue for each state. When in a politics, also so yeah, I take a Tinubu, me implement Tinubu because I understand politics. A Tinubu Ghana, if I not a problem in Nigeria, I will Tinubu a problem of Edo State. But in Manivia do, my go lele Tinubu no. I'm a governor, I'm honorable, I'm a senator, I'm a local government chairman. Only my calling lad, and then I'm in Yawa.
And a man and no gay. Nene Okpeburu. See, I want to know my agent Okpeburu, writing no damn.
Yeah. If a Buari no good, if a Buari no guna, no a do person or 80 a bonnet no say baby Dean. Because a Buari. Edo State Igo. Okay. Wabien, Obaseki Maladia one day work on 6 months with federal allocation marry, or we paying a Yavireke Pavary. If we win an Oshomul and win a federal road, you know, or that big PA, no Baseki. Area to Lubu Genania, no Viala the Aero governor, but no Viala the other, we go no suppose in order to Lubu Mariania, or Wariania, we are Yigo now. We have to tackle our state.
Oge Bini Auchi Road. Egani ya tele du fuba Obaseki na ahia. Obi rami na ke make it Obaseki obi rami.
Ana Musa body eba.
Where is a federal road. But now man not now when
Tinubu where you when ya.
My brother ya is a get of animal.
When you go call me I don't say mama. O ma e say one ya fie. VJ Osama Papa, okay, say 2 hours, 3 hours in the yard, those room.
Mama, I want to tell you, Mama, we have our Enuta, I agree with you to some certain extent, but to other one, I agree with you. I make example, my way. Then again, Donald Trump, Donald Trump, you allow, all way, everyone, you have a friend in Bonisa. Only have a like a military. If you are a woman, you are a woman. If you are a man, you are a man. You don't have a right to wear. We're taking the way or not. Magba, una egbo ma we the man who wear military Africa. And we have each governor of each state. That's one abide to the law. But only one governor, on we abide to the law. We don't try but when in a year, no one abide to the law, you will not receive any federal fund again. Ya yemeni yaka eya we ezega kururu won me Amie odukun eri as far as we are concerned Nigeria is concerned as at today Baba remain president omo daka ema ya ya fefefe when they lost a soldier or you go so we mula that the country. That is why if you have a active president, young and vibrant president, una mo you go no last year city we don't pay a courtesy visit to that state. We don't pay the dilapidated state in Igeleje as at the present. We have visited any. You have a right as a president to question that kind of a governor. To question the people not representing you in the House of Senate. To question the people not representing the House of Assembly.
We will correct you.
You have the right.
First, right to question the governor of that state. One, the citizen have to rise against the governor. When we are here protest, Here called the attention a kiosk. Osunu webo wa. Wa mi street wo gbe so emi na sunu very anuje. Wa mi citizen la there were a capital city here we riot go. But a city naked data, you see the president, also get where was soon over. My ladia, my make a massive protest there. Where you gonna security vote? Where not shut it down at those stay for like 1 week at Kiki every or back here. The president do it after my were there. Where we not do where we walk or magua. Why when the president or call a governor, hey, ya de okay, ya can. Or call a commissioner of police or where ya de okay. Mama met been a big man.
My brother, protest might work. Anyway, at now protest will see winner, but me I know what that. But okay, declare a state of emergency with Rivers State together on me. Remove a city governor, a citizen large and don't.
Yes, now attention on really vast. Where mommy are?
Yes or no? Yeah, a citizen large and don't.
Yes, now when my attention on between when my bed soon.
A citizen of a citizen of Mamado protest where there was no state of emergency, no citizen or large.
When my bed secretary, and then I change when my bed is been another river.
Only Egbinani Red to stay there. Where me and with Egbinani Red to stay the politicians where
detention with the rivers they was too much. It was too much. Yeah, that big video say. If we internet, yeah, shaking.
As far as he has that right to question that governor, or the right to that question a governor, we go now.
Okay, me I know what that. Who question no ma? Who do I question no ma? So, the road one, we are when the road one man make curtain. If we killing no go on now, Uluji ma youth man no shut down the street for 1 week. Where man go down with them now. Na kwe. Unuya, are they able to come out? If you want Ladia here, here they will be.
It's time man catch Madam Princess or catch where corruption. Corruption kawa ukenyo cow. No man get Nigeria dey head go back on the Malaki na attack do begin in here. Already we are
in Nigeria. Corruption magin abeg there. Nigeria.
Ugbaru 18 the dokpa the state of pa aru 18 nobody not shut down the street for 3 days.
You can't tell me pa wala wo wa me ekene do state kana de dem iye we manibu mama believe ye tradition ri ma o. Because a church in Yamini Buan and no one has stopped back his church. Okay, church in Yanarima. I bet all my one as a governor or a commissioner. I know the Yahi or not. Who walk my boy, you talk a boy, I don't really coffee or real cleaning area, no road to me. And I Nigeria, I don't state in here, who walk my body, you talk. Who when you have fame because you have a more ebo. It's so a quo. When you have a before I become a governor, you are when you go now, you go near carry me, you are when you are the body take me. You have a body, and those that can say. But energy very my brother will forget a full
aerobic traditional. Only another the power the traditional rulers. Okay, yeah,
Mama, I will go a full ni mania a do la will wait time. A full ni mania go la I say I did not say Roma no la wait time.
On a boa, my boa for Fulani, all lawa, or to Lemi and Oroguamu. Or se no marebo, we can not in Nigeria.
Okay, can you need Nigeria? Unless anyway, what I wear, I've been making the mani nevo vie doge que no gata gwa ieve mu emena bue governor imagwa erunye ni rena okeke ni avia control ya ni avia mani revo understand we bonana agboya wenda iya gwalian so wa upa ya eta computer iya mi ni eni abo understand so security ere Nigeria osi yage Ghana na Ghana ya mo Nigeria pa na mo understand
ko bebe ki we understand
okay ke ni aladia ni iga nwa ni ami ke na taiwe ma ga level na ni ami ke na woman ni yaki understand so you got to
corruption reboni ne e mata na no ruwe na me oni mata ima ya wa cover
amugwania ma ni die do
dame ho mana go dame o kana understand osimo parita live mana ona para ari Nigeria ona ya ki store ona employ 5 people ye store ni e store na ki mi bieka aso pake kan ya flow de ya no ruwe store ni ahwe ga iro de gbe expect gbo we don gbe akegbe store ya develop ewonia me no water we are expecting no ma we de gbe akegbe store no develop ewoni and the security na ro uga wo ewoni e fulani onya me the fulani na dia ya wa my bro sister what the politician on the I don't talk about
princess so so yere doninia no so go
what about na dia you go wa me do akwo de gbe
because your man security yo ga ni boy ya kiesi go to taje bobo what security yo ebobo wana ebobo mana store ya ni gba le gari agi mana security waro aso
agba le ni ana water pa o egenya na ya rai ma be gani security maro
mama wa pogwa
security maro ku mama ya rai ma ya no gwe
mama princess go make you understand e we
go mommy me kwa o ku ma meta mommy na ishi me na mommy we dey awe
bozia even mi aka mu e we bo na Madina e we bo na Madina upon all the security and the police in my eliminate a private security wa the magazine government una supermarket you have to go and who apply a private security
a
police method
why we corruption
okay gboni bia Nigeria ikpeni amana
ni ma we buwa gi amu egin amu wa una ki
so you are right
gari again no ma na mu
Nigeria ni
we no to we pay you do afa
Nigeria ni corruption pun pe bo
we
we trust on your we
na mo judge level ubo motor oje
my brother
if you man we mata ni me o mari o and the rest of no wa te mata ni o ya balo no balo bere doni
àwọn ni we trust on your
every number we count
that journey people
ni ba ya we security in Nigeria o ye to ma ya we security e fulani o we
li mejo wa de ni momi dameyo ekwe ga amu ime okay ogwana udo ohia so utona udo ohia so abo we agwalo ye we we ari wina na we no do wini na
power
mi no ro ovo ka ya wini na ni o do boy yo voli ya wini every logo we ya gaga no gbe o se
eyi ko ya we no ti we papa
we can my daga no we na o ye wa di ye wo da opa magba ko we ego no ro probably we you say immediately we fie kegbe estimate is one missing
okay governor we woni
That is private corruption. Only government corruption.
To be my one. Also, that time where I have a TV when you go now, you're like, can I more joy you ever? To be my house. Big deal, I'm very remember a joy. I wouldn't win a big deal.
Okay, brother, could you believe now? Working on me block. Who me be able to make back?
I met a man, I
view no do me block. If you don't say, I do no we feeling.
A big layer, a big layer. Hey, I don't know can stop me. If you don't say, you damn your man. If you don't say,
we are don't call
the person that is saying is coming for
oh, the female to be a master now. You go. Oh, I will female to
Mama Princess, all the community in Wetani. We are in Fulani, like community. I do the review of woman. One, a shema, no win or Kagili. Oh, me ti collect ego to be boni ya fefefe kiyen ki boy soge. But emeti when you gba oge property no river ni yari go where I be alega city if I no ma bu battery na any yari go ni yen ba to employ the youth ma ego ni mari ni ya na ya pay go to ni na ya pay you so let me use it for example now we 3,000 houses in the community opa. When man, Kagele na gele I employ 100 youth here now. No barre community ni. Ona ile develop okay. They that already 3,000 re. Ni ya agba oge community ni. Oye me na local vigilante. E ma rock pa ki alava. But in
hello. What tani? What awaro? Ni otori me dey no. Ni wo me ya pay molu 700,000. Ya pay molu.
Hello. J.O. Go answer. Domo.
Okay, I greet you, Mama. A major problem in Mavedo. Anything now why Musima Bow office now. Igo our believe we FF for warina.
Yes.
Our fe na. Oma ave lele where okay when I am go na in the rifle when Oma kama our fe.
Yes.
So far our fe.
Oma togo.
Any major problem in ma. Eze de ave worry ma worry egbi ma.
Kakaba.
Ma worry egbi ma.
God will bless you, my brother.
Otoare community me. We are a 500 in me. Ni mi ayakin onu we no vie do. Oro we 700 in me. Ihiene.
Omi on.
Akin no we no vie do.
Yes, akin no we no vie do.
Anything no wasi mabo where ebo anything anam ebo your office ebo make sure our online ni e wa stand there ye ni our online eri nyomwelo na yo ayilele hia ake ya fie were aya ayere
Eloni ofuto ogun oko
yes
eloni okan aya gina kian
onion sie nana mi ewe igbina ni agbina we do enifo 21 years o pe wo mu yo na gi o pe wo line ban e ma ya ni amu no not 21 years
to another way
governor
free here
When we ma o show mo le kan contest second election when we ma ya viola dia we prison.
Yeah, do pure.
We ko benu we yare we bona. Ko benu we yare we bu. We me we a government Italy la dia where these are the set of people no win ani.
No.
But a government matter awe ge man win ani yan ayering grow the asset yan. Awe yan ayering grow the asset yan. Ru da wa yeri grow.
Awe no I can put I no dey so school area. Ya page
A government governor.
General na school yanga yanga peti ni ji school abi kene pia ka ye kene school ji yanga peti ni ji wa lejo
a governor ahia we election we do agwale ma dan ya ahia
not to expect more
egba ma ni we no do ju ma wo we egwe okona ma win oye we gwe bibie ka gwa we na if you boy you woman adomu we bo ubi ayagun ya gwa be ko e
to allow
a law the problem of those Nigeria is lawless. A law what's the manase webo mana meti e mani tell Nigeria the ni record iro but where na beg where ya
no, the worst part of it, they talk about a community you got to happen. My brother.
Your body go tell you.
But your body go tell you. We arrest on my based on we the second no so see do we when I yari ladia. The police arrest on my or control mama we are begging safe when leave away.
Cause near do car by.
Oh when leave away.